What if I told you some of the most incredible buildings in the world were made from trash? Sounds crazy, right? But architects are turning bottles, tires, and even toothbrushes into stunning, eco-friendly masterpieces. From homes made of jeans to skyscrapers built from plastic, these structures prove that waste is the future of architecture. The Collage House, Mumbai, India. Ever wondered what happens to old doors, windows, and leftover building materials from demolished homes? Well, in Mumbai, India, architects took what most would consider junk and turned it into something extraordinary, the Collage House. This isn't just a home, it's a statement. A bold, artistic, and sustainable masterpiece that proves recycled materials can be just as beautiful, if not more, than brand new ones. Designed by S+PS architects, the Collage House looks like a living museum of history. Every wall, every door, and every window has a past. The exterior, for example, is covered with a patchwork of reclaimed doors, each one telling a different story. Some are faded, some still have old handles attached, and others show signs of decades of use. It's like walking through a timeline of forgotten homes, stitched together to create something entirely new. And it's not just about aesthetics. The house was built with sustainability in mind. Salvaged wood, old metal sheets, and even repurposed stone slabs were used throughout the structure. Inside, the design blends raw, industrial elements with cozy, inviting spaces. Light filters through skylights and glass panels, creating a warm and welcoming atmosphere despite the rugged materials. But here's the best part. It doesn't just look cool. It's a fully functional, modern home that challenges the way we think about architecture. Why waste materials when you can reimagine, repurpose, and rebuild? The Collage House proves that sustainability isn't just about being eco-friendly, it's about creativity, vision, and giving forgotten materials a second life. The Bottle House is Cap-Egmont, Prince Edward Island. What if I told you that over 25,000 glass bottles could be transformed into a breathtaking work of art? Sounds impossible, right? But that's exactly what one man did in a small village on Prince Edward Island, Canada. Welcome to the Bottle Houses, a collection of stunning life-sized buildings made entirely of recycled glass bottles. It all started in 1980 when Edouard Arsenault, a retired fisherman, had a crazy yet brilliant idea. Why throw away used bottles when they could be turned into something magical? Inspired by a postcard from British Columbia, he spent years collecting discarded bottles from restaurants, friends, and recycling centers. And instead of just piling them up, he built actual buildings. A six-gabled house, a hexagonal tavern, and even a chapel. Yes, a real chapel made of glass bottles that glows in the sunlight like a cathedral of colors. Imagine stepping inside and being surrounded by walls made of green, brown, blue, and clear glass, with light streaming through like a giant stained glass masterpiece. The way the sun hits the bottles, casting kaleidoscopic reflections, makes the entire place feel surreal, like something out of a fairy tale. And get this, it's not just about beauty. These structures are incredibly strong. The bottles, held together by cement, act as natural insulation, keeping the interiors cool in summer and warm in winter. Edouard's dream didn't just create a tourist attraction, it became a symbol of sustainability and creativity. His bottle houses prove that even the most ordinary objects can be repurposed into something extraordinary. So next time you hold a glass bottle, think twice before tossing it away, because with a little imagination it might just become part of something incredible. Earthships, Taos, New Mexico, USA. Imagine living in a home that powers itself, collects its own water, grows its own food, and doesn't need a heating or cooling system. Sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, right? Well, welcome to Earthships, the revolutionary off-grid homes in Taos, New Mexico that redefine sustainable living. Designed by visionary architect Michael Reynolds, Earthships are built using recycled materials like old tires, glass bottles, aluminum cans, and reclaimed wood. But don't let that fool you. These homes aren't just piles of junk thrown together. They are stunning, futuristic structures that merge functionality with environmental responsibility. The thick, tire-packed walls act as a natural thermal battery, keeping the home warm in winter and cool in summer, without needing electricity for temperature control. Now here's where it gets even cooler. Earthships harvest rainwater, purify it, and reuse it multiple times. Solar panels provide all the energy needed for daily life, while built-in greenhouses allow residents to grow their own food. Picture stepping into your kitchen and plucking fresh vegetables right from your living room. But here's the real kicker. They're almost completely self-sufficient. No reliance on power grids, no massive utility bills, and zero carbon footprint. And the best part? Anyone can build one. There are now Earthship communities worldwide, proving that sustainable housing isn't just a dream, it's a real, achievable future. Lifehaus, Brighton, United Kingdom. What if I told you that a house made from trash could be warmer, stronger, and more energy efficient than most modern homes? Sounds crazy, right? But that's exactly what the Lifehaus in Brighton, UK is. A fully functional, eco-friendly home built almost entirely from discarded materials. This isn't just a quirky experiment, it's a game-changing project led by architect Duncan Baker Brown and students from the University of Brighton. Together, they built a house using over 85% waste materials, proving that what we throw away can actually be reimagined into something incredible. So, what kind of waste are we talking about? Brace yourself. This house is made from 2,000 old carpet tiles, 20,000 toothbrushes, 4,000 DVD cases, and even denim jeans. Yes, you read that right, jeans. They use shredded denim as insulation, keeping the house cozy in winter and cool in summer. Even old VHS tapes and plastic bags were repurposed into walls. But here's the best part. It's not just a statement about sustainability, it's a live research project. Sensors inside the house monitor its performance, proving that waste materials can match or even outperform traditional construction materials. Think about it, how much stuff do we mindlessly throw away every day? What if, instead of filling landfills, we use that waste to build homes, schools, and offices? The Lifehaus isn't just a building, it's a wake-up call, proving that the future of construction isn't about making more materials, it's about using what we already have in smarter ways. Lifehaus, Baskinta, Lebanon. What if you could live in a house that costs almost nothing to maintain, generates its own power, collects its own water, and keeps you comfortable year-round, without a single bill? Sounds like a fantasy, right? Well, not in Baskinta, Lebanon. Meet Lifehaus, a revolutionary off-grid home designed to make sustainable living accessible to everyone. Created by Lebanese architect Nizar Haddad, Lifehaus isn't just another eco-home, it's a complete rethinking of how we build and live. Made from recycled tires, clay, stone, and reclaimed wood, this self-sufficient house is designed to function in perfect harmony with nature. No expensive materials, no environmental damage, just smart, efficient, and beautiful design. One of the coolest things about Lifehaus is its natural climate control. Thick earth-packed walls act as insulation, keeping the house warm in winter and cool in summer, without the need for electricity-hungry heating or air conditioning. It also has solar panels, rainwater collection systems, and built-in greenhouses, allowing residents to grow their own food and live completely off the grid. But here's where it gets even better. It's affordable. Unlike many green homes that cost a fortune, Lifehaus is designed to be inexpensive to build, making sustainable living an option for everyone, not just the wealthy. The EcoARK, Taipei, Taiwan. What if I told you that an entire 9-story building could be made from garbage, and not just any garbage, but 1.5 million recycled plastic bottles? Sounds impossible, right? But that's exactly what EcoARK in Taipei, Taiwan is. A jaw-dropping architectural marvel that proves trash isn't the problem, it's how we use it. Designed by architect Arthur Huang, EcoARK is more than just a building. It's a statement about the future of construction. While most skyscrapers are built with concrete, steel, and glass, EcoARK is made from polybricks, which are lightweight, durable, and stronger than you'd ever expect. These bricks, crafted from recycled PET bottles, snap together like Lego blocks, making construction fast, efficient, and sustainable. And here's the wild part. Despite being made of plastic, EcoARK is fireproof, earthquake-resistant, and can even withstand typhoon-force winds. That's the power of smart design. Plus, because the poly bricks are hollow, they allow for natural ventilation, reducing the need for air conditioning. Sunlight filters beautifully through the translucent walls, creating a glowing, futuristic effect at night. But this building isn't just sitting there looking cool, it's fully functional, used as an exhibition hall and event space. And the best part? It's 100% recyclable. If it ever needs to be torn down, the materials can be reused again and again. So, which of these recycled material buildings amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more mind-blowing architecture content. This is DwellScape, bringing you the future of design.